Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. We are here in Middle Quarry at home, and we're gonna go there in Camp Allen. We're gonna walk again. But first, thank you to Mama. She gave me this Chamomilla soluble. I'm not sure. Tea. It's like a tea. And then socks. Nice. So let's go. Let's go home. Thank you so much. Let's walk. More blessings to all of us. Wait. Singarod, mapano kon ma? Mama. Thanks, ma. Thanks, ma. Mapano kon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you, ma.
Love you.
Okay, this is Middle Quarry. Okay, this is the shortcut again. It's like every day I walk here. That's city camp already, so we're going there. We're gonna walk. Let's go. Okay, we're already here. This is going to city camp already. Okay, we are already here in city camp. This is like the nightlife here in Baguio. This one. So let's walk. Okay, we're going up this steep hill again, and it's gonna be Camp Allen. Thank you for joining. More blessings to all of us. Oh, this is always tiring to go up here. Okay, we're already almost near the top. So thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.